Hello. Now, let's look at the laws of logarithms. Okay? The first law is saying if you have log mn to the base of b, let's use this one as capital letter N. As you can see in this place, when you have something like this, what is the meaning? Another way you can express them is m multiplied by n, or m dot n. They are all the same. So what is the ed operator in this place? The ed operator is multiplication. So if I come here now, even before I leave, sometimes we can also have this. We can also have this bracket. They are all the same. Very important, because some question will come in this form, in this form, in this form, in this form. It depends on the exam you are taking or the environment you find yourself. So they are all the same. So what it's saying is, if there is multiplication between these numbers to the base of anything, if, for instance, there is a fight between m and n, they are fighting, you as the leader want to separate them. What you should do is say, I know this base is carrying two of you. This time, I want two of you to be separated. But B will still carry you, B will still carry you, but this time I will put plus here. That's what the law is saying. Okay? If there is multiplication between these guys, use plus to separate them. So if you have something like this now, say 2, 6. You agree with me? This is 3 multiplied by 2. Okay? So if these two are fighting, you want to separate them for any reason, you simply separate them. Sorry, this one is 2. 2 will still carry them, but use plus. Okay? Remember, when we are doing indices, we said if you have something like this, say 2 is here, 3 is here, you do 2 plus 3. So when there is multiplication, you add these ones. The same thing goes. Multiplication, you add this. But this time, you are not adding the index, you are adding them in separation like this. I am not going to waste my time on the second law. The second law is saying, paraventure, there is division between these two. Instead of multiplication, we have division. If you want to separate them, you use minus to separate them. But this, their boss, which is B, will still carry them individually. What about the third one? The third one is saying, assume you have something like this. What are you seeing here? B is carrying M. M is carrying K. You want to kill this guy? Only him. It's too much now. What you need to do to allow this guy not to break his neck, because he's already crying to me now. Please, please help me. I said, okay, don't worry, okay? This K come to the back of the log so that this guy will not be destroyed. This is it. This is the third one. The fourth one is not actually fourth. It's a special one. But let's call it fourth. Okay? These are the major three. These other two are derived from these ones. It's simply saying that if you have B, B is carrying B. The base and this are the same. Is equals to 1. Okay? Why the fifth one, also special, is saying if there is any base and 1 is here, it's equals to 0. Okay? These are the laws of logarithm. When you see multiplication, use plus to separate them because they are fighting. If it is division, use minus to separate them. But this B will still carry them, okay? Just separate them so that there should not be any quarrel. If they want to destroy this guy, carry so many people, this one should go to the back. For instance, if I had n here, you can see like this. These two guys need to go to the back because this guy can only handle one value without any complaint, okay? Why this one is, if they are the same, they are one. Are they not one? If me and you have the same color, we are one. Okay? The same parents, we are one. We are one. We are one family. So this one is saying they are one family. So when one is here, is 0. Now next class, we start looking at a lot of questions and answers. Question and answer. Question and answer. If you have any question, do not hesitate to ask. Please share this video, subscribe, follow, like. Thank you.